Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to link Facebook accounts to Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on your profile button at the bottom right. Then on your Instagram profile page, locate and click on the menu icon at the top right. Once selected menu, click on Account Center. Now on the Account Center page, you want to scroll down and then click on Account. Once you click on Account, hang on and click on Add Account. Here, click on Add Facebook Account. Now, click on Add Account. Under Add Account, locate and click on Add Facebook Account. Under select the account you want to add. Click on that and then hang on. So this might take a couple of seconds. After that, click on Continue from the pop. Then click on Allow and finish adding. Then hang on. While this add your Facebook account and Instagram account together, then you should say your Facebook account and then your Instagram. Now, whatever you share on Instagram can easily be shared on your Facebook profile page as well. So that is exactly how to link Instagram and Facebook accounts together. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.